guys, it's Susan here. Today I'm going to try something different, the Cloud effect. But no, I am not using Deco Art satin enamel. I thought I would try this bare satin enamel. I tried one just before this with this and with Artist Loft paint, and it looked pretty close to the Cloud effect. I'll just quickly show you it. It's changing as it dries, and I did this earlier today using that and the Artist Loft paint. I mixed half and half. Actually, a little bit more of the satin enamel I mixed in with the paint than half and half. It was probably 3/4 enamel to 1/4 of the Artist Loft paint. And I use blue. I use 3 colors: blue, silver, and violet, but you can't even see the silver. The blue took over. So I'm going to use, instead of Artist Loft white paint, I'm going to use some house paint, bare house paint, just white house paint. It's not the one with primer in it. It's just straight bare white house paint, and I mixed about half and half, maybe just a little bit more of the enamel in it. That's this mix right here, and this is just my normal white base that I'm going to put on the board. It's just a 12.5 by 12.5 board that I cut out that I'm trying this on. So I'm going to put this down first, and colors I'm using are red. It's the Brilliant Red Ballerownie mixed with, oh yeah, what else I put in with the enamel paint is I put about almost half and half, and then I added a little bit of pouring medium, Liquitex pouring medium, and then water. Looks like it's a little bit thicker than I would like, so I might add a little bit more water. And I use pouring medium in here as well, and in my red I use a little bit of pouring medium, paint, and water. This is Ultramarine Blue Basics. Again, same thing, pouring medium and water. So I'm going to put my base down. I'm not even sure I have enough in here. Alright, so I've got my cup. It's the same cup I used before. I'm just going to reuse it. I'm just taking my sticks out of the paint. Okay, so I am adding the enamel paint in the cup, in the bottom. Whoops. It doesn't want to pour very good. Probably going to need a full cup. So, okay, I put a little bit in the bottom. Maybe about, I don't know, a quarter of this cup. This tiny little Dixie cup. Maybe not even a quarter. Okay, what should I do next? Red. And I'm pouring it down the side of the cup. That's what everybody seems to be doing. I'm just going to put a little bit of white in between the red and the blue. Look what's happening in the cup. That's pretty cool. You can see it. Just a tiny bit in here. Maybe I should put more. Yeah, a little bit more. Again, red. Blue. Might as well use them all up. All right, here goes nothing. Hope I have enough white in there. We'll see. All right, I just want to make sure the canvas is right in the middle. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm just going to squeeze the cup a little bit, and then I'm going to do a spiral pour. Seems to be going onto one side more than the other. Alrighty. It's looking pretty blue to start out with. So now I'm going to just slowly move it around. I'm going to move this aside for now. It's already looking pretty cool on the edges. very possible I didn't have enough paint for this size board, but it's looking pretty cool. I think I'm going to stop right there. I'm just going to let it sit and just touch up the ends a bit here. And see what happens. Looking pretty cool right now. It's really cloudy looking in here and over here. So I guess I will bring you back to this once it starts drying a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like. I will just bring it up a little bit to show you some of the close-ups here. Okay, I'll be back when it's more dry. Bye for now.